This wireless outdoor camera was kindly gifted to me by Noorio, and I have been so impressed with how simple and reliable it is. It's completely wire-free, battery-powered, and uses a magnetic mount, which makes it incredibly easy to place wherever I need extra visibility. One of the biggest things that stood out to me is the magnetic design. There are no tools, wires, or drilling needed. I can just pop it onto any metal surface, the fence, the garage door, even the metal trim on my shed. The magnet locks on securely in seconds, and because it's so easy to move, I've been able to try it in different spots around the house without committing to one place. When I check the app, the picture is incredibly clear. You get crisp 1080p HD, and it's perfect for watching my son and husband playing outside or checking on our dog. The smart motion detection does a great job distinguishing people from pets, so I'm not getting bombarded with unnecessary alerts. And the two-way talk feature is surprisingly clear. I've used it to chat with my family while they're in the backyard and even to call my dog to come inside. You can also set custom motion zones, which is perfect if you only want notifications from certain areas. The night vision is also really impressive. It stays in full color thanks to the built-in spotlight, so you always know exactly what's going on even after dark. Battery life lasts up to 3 months on a single charge, depending on how much activity it picks up. And the fact that it's IP66 weatherproof means I can trust it to handle any weather year-round. The app is very user-friendly, and switching between live view and save clips is quick and simple. Another huge bonus is that it comes with free built-in 32GB local storage, so there are no monthly fees or subscriptions required. Overall, this little camera does exactly what I need it to do. It keeps an eye on my yard and my home, and it gives me peace of mind all day and night. If you want something easy, reliable, and truly wireless, this Noorio camera is definitely a great pick.